Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sending on Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, tap your profile icon and tap Settings. Here, tap Account Limits. As you can see here, under Level 1, to send or receive digital currency, you must complete these 3 steps. First, you must write your name. Second, you must verify your email address. And third, accept the terms of service. As you may already know, all these steps are necessary in the sign-up process. So, check if you have completed these steps to enable sending. And that's how you enable sending on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.